Melton. I am the owner of Clover Birch, and we make wooden toys. So I kind of noticed a need in our house to have beautiful things that weren't bright and vibrant. I couldn't find the things that I wanted in my price range, so I started making them myself. And the moms in my mom group flocked to it, and Clover Birch was born. Clover Birch is purposeful, it's modern, it's heirloom quality. It's just a modern take on traditional toys and making modern parents feel like they still get quality in their products. It started in my home. Now we have outgrown the home workshop and we have our own studio. So I brought people in that I love, and I know that they also have the same attention to detail that I do. So it's fun to know that they are as invested in my product as I am. I put a lot of attention to the kind of materials that we use. I actually go and source all of the lumber myself here locally in Atlanta. My hands touch every bit of lumber that comes in through here, and I selected the paints that we use to be organic, things that you can't really find on the market or in the big box stores. People really love that. The holidays are the most important time for our business. That is when we see the greatest amount in sales, the biggest jump in revenue. And we really make the connections around Christmas time that last throughout the year. So about October through December is game time for us. Each Christmas, I've doubled the revenue from the previous year. So at one point, each week, my paycheck from Etsy was exceeding a 2-week paycheck from my corporate job. And it was insane. If I can ship within 2 to 3 days, especially around Christmas for last-minute gifts, then revenue is incredible. If it takes us a little bit longer because we're behind, we see a definite impact on the sales. We love Etsy, and especially being featured in the Etsy holiday gift guide and things like that are just monumental. I try and take some of the money that we make from our holiday sales and reinvest it in the business every year. I also put some aside to help for my family, so that contributes to our income throughout the year. And last year I was actually able to buy my mother a car. Her car was dying right around Christmas and she was so distraught, so I went and paid cash and got her a new car. I remember when I first started doing some branding and trying to make this really a business and not just so much a hobby. My marketing girl at the time, she was like, well, let's go ahead and do your website and try to shift away from Etsy. And I'm like, no, Etsy drives so much traffic to me. It really feels like a team. And just to have that extra support with Etsy, we're all working towards the same goal, which is to get everybody what they're looking for. We're hustling, and it's okay to do it all. You can be a great mom and a business owner and just really kill it.